All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with an ask. So I've been reviewing instant noodles since 2002 and bringing things like the chocolate break with my wife, instant noodle recipe time, and top 10 lists and unboxings and regular reviews over at www.theramenraider.com. Hate to say it, but our family's come on some pretty tough times recently, and I was wondering if I could ask for your help. If you can, that's great. If you can't, that's great too. So please look at the link in the description. Look at, we've got a GoFundMe going on. I also got Patreon, but a GoFundMe would really help us out right now. And yeah, thank you very much for your time and your support, and really appreciate it. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.